Morning to all. Let us extend the formula required for the derivative chapter. D by dx of x to the power n. The formula will be n into x to the power n minus 1. Derivative of e to the power x, exponential function, it will be same e to the power x. Derivative of sin x, that is cos x. Derivative of cos x will be minus sin x. Derivative of tan x will be sec square x. Derivative of sec x will be sec x tan x. Derivative of cosec x, that will be minus cosec x into cot x, and derivative of cot x will be minus cosec square x. And derivative of any constant number will be 0. Derivative of a constant function is 0 always. D by dx of c is any constant number equal to 0. Let us go to the exercise part. Last class I have done few sums from the book R.S. Agarwal. Just see. I am doing few sums from the book R.S. Agarwal. Let me copy the question. Question number 6. Last class I have done up to 4. Question of 6 it is giving. Question of 6 first part. Write y is equal to 4 cot x minus 1 by 2 cos x plus 2 by cos x, 2 by cos x minus 3 by sin x and plus 6 cot x by cosec x and plus 9. Last given plus 9. Okay. After that you have to find out derivative. Just to see. Therefore, dy by dy. 4 is taken outside. D by dx of cot x. Next minus half coefficient taken outside, derivative of cos x. After that this will be plus 2 taken outside, d by dx of derivative of 1 by cos means sec x minus 3 taken outside, d by dx 1 by sin means cosec x. After that plus 6 taken outside, d by dx cot by cot means cos x by sin x, cosec means 1 by sin x. This will finally cos x and plus d by dx of 9. Now tell the answer one by one. The derivative of cot x is minus cosec square. This will be minus 4 cosec square x. Derivative of cos x will be minus sin x. This will be plus half sin x. The sec x derivative will be sec x into tan x. Sec x into tan x. And this will be cosec x derivative will be minus cosec x cot x. That means this will be plus 3 cosec x into cot x. And this is minus 6 sin x because derivative of cos x is minus sin, and plus 9 का derivative 0. And this is the answer. Okay. So finally what will you get? What are you getting? Then this will be, therefore dy by dx will be minus 4 cosec square x plus half sin x plus 2 sec x into tan x plus 3 cosec x into cot x and minus 6 sin x last. Okay. Number 6 first part completed. Let us go number 6 second part. I think it is clear all. The second part question given, write y is equal to minus 5 tan x plus 4 tan x cos x minus 3 cot x into sec x plus 2 sec x minus 13. This is the question given. You have to find out dy dx just to see. Therefore, dy by dx minus 5 taken outside, dy by dx of tan x plus 4 taken outside, dy by dx of tan means sin by cos, cos cancel means sin x, minus 3 d by dx of cot means cos by sin, cot means cos by sin x, and sec means 1 by cos x, cos x cancel, and 1 by sin means cosec x, plus 2 taken outside, d by dx of sec x, and minus d by dx of 13. Then this will be 0, no doubt. After that, finally, what you are getting just to see. Minus 5 tan x derivative is how much? Sec square x. Sin x derivative cos x, 4 cos x. Cos x derivative will be minus cosec x cot x, that means this will be plus 3 cosec x into cot x plus 2. The derivative of sec x will be sec x into tan x, and this part will be 0. And this is the final answer. In this one, number 4, second part also completed. Let us go next number. See, number 7 question given, first part, y is equal to 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. First, you open this bracket, it will be more easier. If you multiply this one, this will be 6x square minus 10x, 2x minus 10x, plus 9x minus 15. Final, what are you getting? 6x square minus x minus 15. Now find derivative. Therefore, dy by dx, it will be 6 taken outside, d by dx of x square minus d by dx of x minus d by dx of 15. So what is the derivative x square? This will 2x, this will 12x. Minus x derivative is 1, and this will be 0. This is the answer. Number 7, first part complete. Okay, let us go next part. See, number 7, second part, it is given y is equal to x whole into 1 plus x whole cube. 1 plus x whole cube. Right here just x. 1 plus x whole cube, we have to break a plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b. 3a square b means 3x plus 3ab square means 3x square. After that, you multiply this x inside. This will be x to the power 4. This will be plus 3x cube, then plus 3x square plus x into 1 plus x. I am writing, arranging for decreasing order of power. Next, you have to find out dy by dx. Means d by dx of derivative of x to the power 4, 3 taken outside, derivative of x cube, 3 taken outside, derivative of x square plus derivative of x. Next, see, x to the power 4 derivative will be 4x cube. This will be 3 will come outside, 9x square plus x square due to 2x, means it will be 6x. X derivative is 1. This is the answer of number 7, second part. Let us go to third part question. What is given? The third part question given, y is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square. Y is equal to x minus 1 by x. First of all, you have to write a minus whole square formula. That will be x square minus, plus 1 by x square minus 2ab means minus 2. Then you find derivative. dy by dx, derivative of x square, then derivative of 1 by x square minus derivative of 2. Now write x square derivative will be 2x. This will be x to the power minus 2. Minus 2 will come outside into x to the power minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. And this will be 0. The final what will get 2x minus 2 by x cube. This is the answer. In this one, number 7, third part also completed. And the last part we will do, that is fourth part of number 7. That is what is given. Number 7, last part question given. I am doing y is equal to x square plus 1 by x square whole cube. First we have to break a cube plus b cube formula. That means x square whole cube, x to the power 6 plus 1 by x to the power 6 plus 3 a square b, means 3 x to the power 4 into 1 by x square plus 3 ab square, means 3 a b square 1 by x to the power 4. Just to apply a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Just to simplify here, x to the power 6, this will be x to the power minus 6, 3 x square, this will be plus 3 into x to the power minus 2. Next you have to find out derivative individually. Just see how to find out. Therefore dy by dx. So what is the derivative of x to the power 6? Directly doing, this should be 6 into x to the power 5. Here minus 6 will come outside, x to the power minus 7. 2 will come outside, that means 6 x. This will be minus 6 x to the power minus 3. So finally what will get? 6 x to the power 5 minus 6 by x to the power 7 plus 6x minus 6 by x cube. And this is the answer of number 7, fourth part. I think it is clear. Thank you for today's class. Next day to more sums.